What is a bridge pattern? Let's suppose we are building a drawing application. In this application there are multiple types of shapes like square, circle, and many more can be added in future. These shapes can have different colors like green, red, blue, etc. To map these different types of shapes and colors, we have to implement classes for all types. Like for green square and circle, we will have to define green square and green circle class. Similarly for red and blue as well. This is not an extensible pattern. Now let's look how bridge pattern can make this design extensible. What we can do is we can define an interface iColor having a function fill in it. Then we can define the concrete classes like blue and red implementing the color interface. For shape classes, we will define an abstract class, abstract shape, providing draw as the function and having an instance of color class as a member variable. Then each type of shape can extend the abstract class and define the concrete shape classes like circle and square. This way, whenever a client wants to define a colored shape, let's suppose a red square class, then just pass the red class object into the square class object and they can get the red square functionalities. This is the bridge pattern implementation. Here the color object reference in the abstract shape is called the bridge. The color interface is known as implementer. Abstract shape class is known as abstraction. The concrete shape classes are known as refined abstraction, and the concrete color classes are known as concrete implementers. Now let's see the code implementation of bridge pattern. We will first define an interface color and have a function fill in it. Then we will define the concrete classes blue and red. Then we will define the shape abstract class, and finally we will define the concrete shape classes square and circle. The abstract shape will have a reference of color object in it, and the concrete shape classes will define a constructor taking the color class object in it, and it will call the abstract shape class constructor to assign the color class object to the reference. That was all about bridge pattern. In our previous video we have talked about the adapter pattern. Please check out the video to learn about that. And in our next video we will talk about composite design pattern. Thank you.